You may be asking yourself, how am I going to be able to remember the letter name of every line and space in the treble clef, that is above middle C here, and in the bass clef, that's below middle C here? That just seems to be way too much to remember. Fortunately for us, there are simple sayings called mnemonics which will help us. Let's look at the treble clef, that is, the staff of 5 lines and 4 spaces that represents the notes above middle C on the piano. If you recall, as we move from middle C upwards, from that line to the next space, and to the next line, and so on, we move along one letter in our alphabet at a time until we reach G, and then we start all over again on A. For instance, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and so on. The same thing happened on the keyboard itself as we moved upward. Middle C, D, E, F, and so on. When we do that, we notice that the spaces of the treble clef spell out the word face, as you can see here. Follow along as each note is lit up with the letter underneath, and then when it reaches the end, close your eyes and listen closely to how it sounds as we jump over each line to the next note on a different space. The lines are just as easy to remember if we think of the saying, "Every good bird does fly." As you can see, the letters of the line move from E to G to B to D to F. Again, watch the words and listen as the notes are lit up as they are played, and then listen with your eyes closed to see how it sounds when we jump over the spaces from line to line. Do you also notice how the missing letters in our saying are those that spell face? If we put both of them together and form all the notes of the treble clef, here the lines represented on top and below the spaces, you will notice how we move from C, one note at a time, all the way through until we reach 2 Fs above middle C. Listen and hear how it sounds so familiar to you.